What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angel, and welcome back to Angel's Life. Today we have a Coach handbag unboxing. Really excited about this one, so let's just jump right into it. But before we do, I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angel. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Now, let's get into the outfit of the day. All right, y'all. So the outfit of the day, we have Old Faithful. We have our Reformation denim corset. I've been having this corset for about 3.5 years, y'all. But of course, I will link something similar if I can. I have those styled with my coochie corn chips. You heard me? With my Goldie Parker cut off shorts. I then have my Old Navy denim jacket draped on top with my Steve Madden icon boots and my red LV Speedy and Epi leather. Now who gonna play with me? Who gonna play with me? She looks so cute. She looks so cute. Listen, I don't know if y'all heard me when I said it the first time, but boots and shorts, I'm wearing them all fall. Boots and shorts or short skirts and mini dresses in this, because I live in the San Antonio, all fall, baby. So, yeah. Y'all love this look. It's really cute. Y'all know I'm a denim girl, so all the denim is just doing what it needs to do for me. So 10 out of 10 I would absolutely recommend. But let's jump into this handbag unboxing, shall we? Just to let y'all know, I'm going to sit the jacket on the side. Like that there, okay? But listen, if you're coming from Instagram, then you probably already saw the unboxing. Welcome, by the way. Get comfortable. Hit the subscribe button, okay? Don't forget to like it if you like it, all right? But, yes, I went into Coach, just was scrolling, nothing too crazy, just a little scroll, and I was scrolling on it, on past Coach, and I saw something that I liked, so I went ahead and tried it on, seen if I liked it, and went ahead and picked it up. Now listen, y'all know I talked about it already, but my color of the fall is like this oxblood color, so can you guess what color it is? I'm gonna give you a guess. I'm gonna give you a second to guess. But yeah, saw this bag. So I actually saw this bag in a different color, and I was kind of like, that's really cute. And saw what other colors they had and was like, I need that. And I went ahead and picked it up. Now the bag was $2.95. It is the Hamptons Hobo bag, okay? It says re-edition. Usually y'all know I get the tags done, but their machine wasn't working out at La Cantera. But yes, we have the Coach the Hamptons Hobo limited re-edition 2005. This bag is stunning, and the thing that I like about it the most is that this looks way more expensive than $295. This to me looks like $1,000 plus bag. That's just my opinion. The leather is stunning, and there's also cracks in it a little bit, which at first I thought I was going to have a problem with, but I love it because it makes it look aged to me, and I have really been into aged and vintage bags, so I'm just kind of like, plus for $2.95, you know what? $2.95 is a good price. But it only has this one closure. Then you open it up here, and I'm actually surprised at the pocketing, right? Because let me take this out. So hold on, y'all, where we gonna sit this? It's right there. Stay up now. I don't want to flash y'all. If I do, I'm sorry. Y'all didn't see the little areola now. But there is a card slot. Come on, can we back up? There's a card slot right here. You can fit about 4 or 5 cards in there. And then there is a back pocket back here. And then it's open right here in the middle. So I like that even though it's a very small Hobo bag, I like the compartments on it. They're like, you know, it's already small. You don't have to bring your card holder, your wallet or whatever. We're going to give you a little slot. And I absolutely love that effect about the bag. Now, that is the bag. But y'all know I've said it before, I am into bag charms. There's not often that there's trends that I like. The bag charm trend, I like it. I like it. I don't know what to tell y'all. The Labubu trend, I like it. I'm a stuffed animal girl. Always been a stuffed animal girl. Will forever be a stuffed animal girl. So the Labubu trend is something that I like it, you know? So, but I did pick up 2 bag charms, right? Let me do a little shake. Let me see which one. See if I can tell which one is which. Because I got 2 little bags. Okay. We're going to open this one first. So, the first, and again, we mentioned that the bag was $2.95. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let's open this up. So, the first bag charm that I went ahead and picked up was this one. Now, I don't know what this bag charm is called. Let's see. It says the C chain strap, and it was $125. That's a little expensive for a strap, but I mean, I guess it's the Coach C's on there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like C's. The chains are made of like Coach C's. Y'all, I absolutely loved it. Thought it was stunning. Threw it on the bag. It was like, yes, ma'am. I really, really like that. So let me put it on a bag for y'all so we can see. Hold on. So this is how we went ahead and put it on. I just clipped it to that side of the bag like that. And then we clipped it. Y'all know I got these long nails. To the other side of the bag like that. Y'all thought that was so cute. So cute. Like, yes, is that? Yes, y'all, I love that. And you know, at first we thought about doing it in, but like putting it on the inside, but when it was on the inside, it kind of had like a little dent in the indentation I didn't like. So yeah, very, very cute. Now I did go ahead and pick up one more bag charm, and again, this bag charm was $125. That's expensive. The Coach bag charms are expensive though, just for the record. Like, just throwing it out there, they are expensive, mamas. But the next bag charm that I went ahead and picked up was this one right here, which is the little like tennis racket and ball. Y'all know I started playing tennis this year, and y'all know I am obsessed. So when I saw the tennis and the racket, you know, when I saw the racket, I was like, I have to have her. Now this was $95. That's a lot. Again, these are not bag charms that you have to pick up, y'all. I'm just showing y'all what I got. And the way that I put this bag charm on was like that. Now look at that. Girl, I'm ready for Wimbledon. Okay, I am ready for Wimbledon. Y'all, I think it is so cute. I like that it jingles and like, you know, jingles and move. You hear me coming. Y'all know I like that. But yes, that is how the bag is looking with the charms on there, and I love it. I love it. Again, I told y'all that I really am into the bag charm trends, so I do feel like it's worth it. And this can be taken off and worn on another bag. This can be taken off and worn on another bag if I wanted to. But yeah, that is what the bag is looking like. All in all, I ended up paying $501. Now that's because I got a military discount. While I still can, sure will and is. Okay, I got a military discount. The military discount is 10%, so it came up to $501. Without the military discount, it would have been more like $600, or actually probably more like probably more like $560, $570 with tax. So I saved about $60 or $70. Well, about $50 to $60 with tax because it's 10%. So yeah, there is that. But y'all, this is stunning. And look, and the colors don't match perfectly, but they absolutely match enough, because this is going to be down here, this is going to be up here, and it's just giving burgundy tees. It's giving burgundy tees, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. But y'all, that's all I got. Don't got no more. Comment down below. Let me know, what are y'all thinking? Are we liking the bag? Are we liking the charms? Like, come on, y'all, give me your thoughts. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.